How to fix video call problem on Messenger Android. So if you're facing a problem with your Messenger Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps and scroll down again, and you need to find the Messenger application. So find the Messenger. Once you find Messenger, now you need to go with storage and cache, and here you need to go and clear the cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you can go back and make sure that you've allowed all of the notifications for it and all of the permissions. Make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions. And after allowing the permissions, you can just go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can check your internet connection and you can open up your Play Store. Under Play Store, you can search for Messenger and tap on update if you have any updates under your Messenger. Once you've updated, then you can relaunch your Messenger, and after relaunching, then your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix video call problem on your Messenger Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.